As he tell me say the girl don't die, I tell him say the girl don't die. He come tell me say, hey, you already hear the matter. I come tell him say, nah, where the girl want? I say, me want travel go my village. Because no, man never travel. I come say, okay. So me that come dey. So policeman come drive come. As policeman drive come, I come tell say, Valentine, police people don't come. We see am. He come tell me say, man, not tell police people anything. Say if I won't go tell police, say na 2 of us will go tell police. I come say no problem. So while that man come in, I come tell say, okay, he come tell say, man, tell am truth. I come say, okay, I no go feel lie you. Truth I go tell you say, me see people go see, but I don't know the name. Now my friend wey they call Valentine, why I know. Now he know the name. He say that they opposite the house. So when you come to fish, I know no me that come waka come out. So they come go arrest them. As they arrest them now on Sunday, on Monday, that is on first. Me and my landlady daughter son waka we have for go work. So as they come back, the police will come carry me. As they roll down, I not come talk anything. I not tell them talk, but I already know say na the matter. So me come dey there. As I dey there now, they come carry go Eregbeni station. Go reach Eregbeni station. So they come tell us who be Valentine, a comma, who be Collins, a comma. They come say more talk, wait till we see. Because I can't tell them 3 people me see. He come mention these 3 boys, but me never now that day be first day I know them. So they come ask which be their name. He come mention Lucky Azubike and Lucky Azubike and Nancy. That is this one. So he come mention the 3 of them. After I don't mention 3 of them, they finish. The cause will be Curtis. I call them not be Curtis. Say where they answer. So the cause they carry us come on. They can't transfer us come here that day. And they transfer us come here that day, though. If I want talk, they guys tell me say, man, not talk. If I want to talk, customer to me, Valentine and security, the first guy with the up. So they can't hold them. If the guy called they beg me, man, not tell police wetin happen. So Oyibo go see be my weakness. He called they monitor 2 of us character. So before I know they can't transfer us go Abuja. And they transfer us go Abuja. If we see reach Abuja, he go turn the third. So him now, this is where the woman cut us say, now pastor give me the. Now Mary, that is that woman. So yes, now Mary, yes, that is my landlady. So as we reach Abuja now, the first day will be 5. Now 3. Valentine and Nancy and me. So the 2 boys, they never see the 2 boys. So we reach Abuja, so because they monitor us. And they monitor us. So this guy now, he come president wey dey there, wey be like be the overall. He come say they already hear wetin happen. Say they already say now pastor and with a wife, 9 pay person. 9 pay person, some of 1.5, say you want travel the person go pray. Me can't shake head. No, not the God that my body get spirit. If you come pastor, no name. I don't even know pastor them. Now Mary, now BDD. So after everything now, so when the time come here, say they call pastor. He won't begin to placate people who don't know anything. But get one old man for Kineza where they do moto. One guy where they call Tio. Many people where they are. Many people. Me, Amadasu, for the street, for the church street. Yes, now I did. No, I'm from Delta State. I'm 24 years. Yes. So they can't arrest innocent people. And they arrest innocent people. So I can say, all this one now, this what they don't happen. They carry people who don't know anything. It's better you go talk true. Make these people go. So I can't tell them say now we do the thing. So I can't say I want to see my IPO. So but me they not let this guy say me want to see our IPO. So they also okay. So this guy and that Baba will they do Falknizer and Tio and security, that is Oyibo. They can't say okay man, not worry. They can't carry me go way past the day. So but I not tell anybody what they happen. As I read them I can't go the pastor play Congo Oyibo, that is it.